Formatting the text. You have already learned how to edit documents in Word 2016. Let us now learn about the formatting features using which you can modify your document anytime to get an entirely new look. Changing the appearance and arrangement of the text is called formatting the text. You can format your text using the font group, paragraph group, etc. Changing font and font size. Font is the look of the alphabet on the screen. Changing the font makes your work presentable. Word provides various fonts of different sizes. The default font is Calibri and the default size is 11. To change the font, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font box. 4. Choose the desired font. To change font size, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font size. 4. Choose the desired font size. Changing font color. You can apply different colors to the text. To change font color, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font color. 4. Choose the desired font color. Highlighting the text. Highlighting the text means marking the important text and placing a colored rectangle over it. It changes the background color of the selected text. To highlight the text, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the text highlight color button.
4. Choose the desired color.
Bold, italic and underline. Bold means darker text, italics means slanted text, and underline means a line under the text. To make the text bold or italic or underlined, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on B for bold or I for italic or U for underline button. Applying text effects. The text effects button allows us to apply some pretty cool effects to the text. To apply text effects, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the text effects option. 4. Choose the desired text effect. Aligning the text. The position of the text or the way the text is set with respect to the margins in a document is called alignment. There are 4 alignment options available in Word: align left, center, align right, and justify. To change the alignment of the text, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Choose the alignment option. If we click on the Align Left button, the text is aligned up at the left margin. If we click on the Center button, the text is centered in between the left and right margins in each line. If we click on the Align Right button, the text is aligned up at the right margin. If we click on the Justify button, the text is aligned up at the left as well as at the right margin. Changing case. Changing case option changes the text to uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalizations in Microsoft Word. There are 5 case options offered by Word. Sentence case, to capitalize the first letter of a sentence and leave all other letters as lowercase. Lowercase, to change all letters to lowercase. Uppercase, to capitalize all of the letters. Capitalize each word, to capitalize the first letter of each word and leave the other letters in lowercase. Toggle case, to shift between 2 case views. For example, to shift between capitalize each word and the opposite, capitalize each word. To change the case of the text, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on Change Case option and choose the desired option. Adding bullets and numbering. A bullet is a small symbol such as a square or a dot used to mark each item in a list. Numbering is used to number each item in a list. Bullets. To add bullets, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets tool and select the desired bullet. Numbering. To add numbering, follow the given steps. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering tool and select the desired numbering. Line spacing and paragraph spacing. Line spacing. Line spacing is the blank space between two lines in a paragraph. To change line spacing, follow the given steps. 1. Place the cursor without selecting the text. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on Line and Paragraph Spacing tool. 4. Choose the line spacing you want. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the blank space between two paragraphs, both before and after the paragraph. To change paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. 1. Place the cursor in the paragraph. 2. Click on Layout tab. 3. Choose the required spacing.